Kuringana na mutongoria wa kiama kia DCP Rigathi Gachagua, jama ya guthoga register ya aikia a kura ona maumirira ni yarirwo ni maabitha thirikari mutaratara-ini uria urakuruhania uheani wa TEDA na Google kuri kambuni ya Miru Systems kuma South Korea. Riu hatiri undu ta nganja gitikia muikari giti wa IEBC Erastus Thekon nigikuhiuha ona makiria munini wake Fahima Arafat ni umwe wa aria magwetetwo unyitanire na mwandiki mukaru ruhonge-ini rwa ugitiri wa thiini Raymond Omolo ona PS wa uthami Belio Kipsang.
Mr. Chairman, with your concurrence, the PS for Interior, Raymond Omolo, the PS for Immigration and Citizen Affairs, Mr. Belio Kipsang, have held meetings with Miru Systems Company Limited of South Korea. They are in the process of giving to the company access to the country's voter registration database for integration purposes. But Kenyans are asking, who is Miru System Company Limited?
Kiuria kia uheani wa TEDA ya motungata ma teknoloji nikio kirehete wari mwari. Gachagua kiuga TEDA ino ni yanirwo tariki 11 mweri-ini uyu icoke ihingo mweri wa kenda tariki 1 no gatagati-ini kambuni ya Miru System ni yakungeirio hatari utheri o wothe wa kunene mutaratara uria wahuthikire kumihe tenda.
Why did the IEBC require a tender security of 30 million shillings while failing to disclose sufficient information regarding the quantities, commercial scope, estimated procurement value, or the budgetary basis necessary to demonstrate compliance with Section 61 of PPADA, and how are bidders expected to assess commercial risk under those circumstances?
Riu Gachagua renda macokio ma gitumi gia gucenjia kambuni ya Smartmatic ida-ini ria mwaka umwe mbere ya githurano na ugwati wa guthoga register ya wikia wa kura makiri icigo-ini iria thirikari irekwa ni yoranirwo nacio kiuteti.
Under the instructions of William Ruto, Meru Technologies has been instructed to prepare a new voters register and suppress voters from the following regions perceived to be against this regime. 1. Western Kenya. 2. Nyanza region, but in Kisii and Nyamira counties. 3. The Mount Kenya region. 4. Lower Eastern. 5. Nairobi. 6. Taveta and Namu. 5. Rift Valley in Nakuru, Laikipia, Kajiado, and Narok.
Ona gutuika Gachagua ndahithuritie kuri arutite ndumiriri ino kiuria kia waragania wa kambuni ino ya Miru Systems ithurano-ini cia mabũrũri mangi no undu uri kigeri-ini kuna bũrũri-ini wa DRC, Philippines na Iraq ni kumwe kambuni ino ithingithitie ithurano na kwaga waragania.
This is a South Korean company with a very bad history of rigging elections across the world. In the Democratic Republic of Congo in 2023, election observers reported that up to 45% of polling stations experienced equipment malfunctions, and this potentially excluded 17 million Congolese from voting. Again in Congo, illegible voters' cards were used and actual voters were removed from the roll of voters.
Gukire uguo bunge no yukirirwo ni kwaga kurikiriria mogaruruku ma watho wa kuramata ithurano wa mwaka wa 2024 uria uhete IEBC hinya wa kuramata uhuthiri wa teknoloji iria ikuhuthika gutabania ithurano.
IEBC ni wega mamenye andu a Kenya ni mararora muno githurano kia next year, na nitukwenda kumoria na gitio makigora indo iria ikahuthirwo thiini wa githurano, maratathi na teknoloji. Andu a Kenya ni batirenda ona hanini me korwo me hakuhi kana magikuruhania na huria biacara aria ni arata anene a thirikari ino na munene arata a President William Ruto.
Andu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Mwaura wa Ndung'u.